Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this really pretty pinky rosy look, and it is using the Belle designer collection, the Disney designer collection from Colourpop, the whole little bundle kit set thing. And I used all the products in here, the Super Shock shadow obviously on my eyes, and then both of the lip products. I used the lip products alone, so I just showed what the lipstick looked like on the lips, the lip gloss looked like on the lips, and then I showed what both of them look like together when you use them both. I really love how this look came out. It would be really pretty for Valentine's Day because it's just like a nice, soft, rosy look. There's the name of the tutorial. I really like this set. If you guys are wondering, if you wanted to check it out, I'll have a link down below in the description box. You should buy it if you have not already. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going in with the Chocolate Bonbons palette and using the shade Almond Truffle and buffing that in the crease with my Morphe M441. Then taking Almond Truffle and Mocha on the M441, just putting that in the crease just to deepen it up. I used pretty much all the brown shades in this palette, the matte brown shades. Next I'm taking Almond Truffle, Mocha, and Boudoir on the Morphe M441, but I'm really focusing this in the crease because Boudoir is a very dark brown shade, so I really wanted that depth to be in the crease. Next, I'm taking all three shades that I just used in the crease again, and I'm just putting those on the lower lash line just to really give that look, give the look a very smoky look. I just love doing this. And then I'm buffing everything out with this Wet n Wild brush. I don't love this brush, but I don't hate it, but it's really good for smoking things out. Next, I'm taking Be Our Guest, the Super Shock shadow from the Disney designer collection, and just putting this on the lid. It is a beautiful rosy pinky color. I absolutely love it. It's so wearable. It is just gorgeous. Next, I am taking Boudoir on this dome brush from Ulta, and I'm just putting this on the outer V just to really blend together everything and using my finger to blend everything out. Now I'm going to go finish up the rest of my face off camera. I did liner and mascara off camera. Next, I'm going in with the lipstick, which is in the shade Belle, and just putting this on my lips just to show you guys what the lipstick looks like on the lips by itself. The mascara I used for this look was the Buxom Lash Mascara and the CoverGirl So Lashy, and then I used the Physicians Formula Liner for my eyes. This is what the lipstick looks like. Now for the gloss. The gloss is Last Petal. It's a really pretty metallic gloss. I really like it. Alone, it is gorgeous. So this is what the gloss looks like. And then this is what it looks like together with the lipstick. I'm just applying it again. This lipstick is very easy to apply. I don't own any other Colourpop lipsticks, and I would definitely recommend getting them. They're amazing. And now I'm going to just apply the gloss. Again, the gloss is gorgeous. This has a doe foot applicator. By the way, it's not a brush like the other lip glosses. And then this is the completed look. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. Go subscribe to my second channel as well. I want to start uploading there more, but I don't know what to upload there. I mostly do like planner videos, so let me know what I should do on my second channel in the comments down below, because I don't know what to do. If you have any video suggestions for this channel or my other channel, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!